Welcome to the video. I hope you all are having a great day. Today we are jumping straight into the painting process. I'll be explaining my thought process throughout the painting, so no deep advice today, just chill painting, so enjoy. With the background, I wanted a solid colour. I started with a red wash of watercolor, just with random brush strokes here and there. Then I was going to use gouache to go over it, but I didn't think I had enough, so I dug deep into my drawers and I found some acrylic paint. Now, I think I've only used acrylic paint like once before, so this was a bit of an experiment. I didn't want the background to be smooth, I wanted it to be textury, so you could see the direction of the brush strokes. I've called this painting Duality of Self. A friend of mine reminded me of my old work and how it was more free-flowing, and well, I don't really paint like that anymore. It made me think about who I was then and who I am now, how I paint now and how I painted back then, me versus the old me. So in this painting I wanted to create a contrast between the left and the right, some flowing, some controlled, but all brought together in harmony. Say it was pretty relaxing just being able to slap water and paint on the page and then just let it do its thing naturally, without having to be perfect or interfere much, except for that little spot. This misty smoke, I wanted it to blend with her face. The colour is leaving her skin, and the control that I usually have over my painting is leaving the page. I'm essentially letting go. I knew I wanted the flowers to be a bit vibrant, but also a bit more random in texture. I knew that no matter what I painted, I had the gold leaf outline to come, and it would define the inner shape. So satisfying, but also nerve-wracking because once it sticks to the glue, it ain't coming off. And this is the final result. I really love how it turned out. The acrylic background actually turned out pretty cool, and I love the contrast between the two sides. And with this piece done, it's actually heading to a small gallery exhibition, so let's check it out. I was super excited to be part of this exhibition at Advantage 24 Gallery in Melbourne. So I actually shot a ton of footage for this exhibition opening night with my new camera, but I may have overexposed it all and rendered it all useless. And that's why it took so long to make this video. Oh well. And some good news. I found out on the way home from the exhibition that my painting had sold. I was speechless when I found out. I was so excited. I couldn't believe it. That's it. Heads up for my next video. I'll be painting my first mural, so that's pretty exciting. So thank you all for watching. I appreciate all the views and comments. It's really cool to be able to share my work with everyone. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.